Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can allow your users to update and look up pages in your Notion database? Well, let me show you an example. So here we have the project update form. You have the option to select a record to edit or create a new record. Here, we can just select a record, Archie, and you'll see that it's going to be already filled out. You have the project name, Apollo website redesign, status not yet started, and the name, Archie. So here, I can just update it as in progress and just say that the project has already started. And then click submit. And you can go to your Notion database and you'll see the option here, Archie has been updated to in progress. Notion forms are great. It's already built in the app and allows you to enter single entry inputs. However, NoteForms will take you further, which would allow you to date existing records. And this is where NoteForms really stands out. So now let me walk you through on how to enable page lookup feature on your form. So here we're going to create a new form. So let's click create a new form on the upper right. And then we have the option to choose an existing Notion database, use the AI feature to generate the form or create from scratch. For convenience, we will use AI and we already have the prompt ready. What we would like to create is a project update form. It has a project name, status, notes, and update by the name who updated the form. And we can click generate. And let's just wait for AI to build the form for us. So 6 seconds, it's already structuring the form. 10 seconds, organizing the form layout. 15 seconds, setting up the structure. It's fine-tuning validation, optimizing user experience. In less than 25 seconds, we already have our form ready. So it's a project update form. You have the name, status, and notes, and the name who updated the form. And next thing that we need to do is go to settings on the left side, and you'll see submission settings on the left side as well. And scroll down, and you'll see here page lookup, pre-submission page lookup. You can enable that. And next thing that we can do is have the lookup page options. So we can have the record selection, input label, or the previous button text modified. And you can have an introduction text as well. So here we can use a pre-made message to please select the existing project manager assigned to this project or create a new record for new project. All we need to do now is just click publish form. And next, let's select the Notion page where the Notion database will be created. And then click save form. And there you go. You already have your form created with the page lookup feature enabled. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions or concerns, please reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is RG, and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.